to Tiana Blanco channel, and today I'm gonna show you how I got my hair to grow this long, because it's growing from my scalp. So before we get into this review, let's get into the promo code. That's the most important part, because y'all gonna save some money today. I'm feeling like Oprah. So we are gonna use Blanco20. When you check out, you will receive money off of any wig or any hair that you purchase on their website. The unit did not come like this, with this color and these body waves. I did all that. I'm actually gonna have a video showing you how I colored this unit, styled it. But overall, I just wanna say this hair is bomb. Then elastic band already attached. So that is for that extra security. Now I am gonna do a wig install, a glueless wig install. So let's go. So I'm gonna be using the Got to Be glue. Yeah. So as you all know, and if you don't know, I make wigs myself. I customize them. I construct and customize on the sewing machine. So the difference between this wig and the wigs that I make is that mine is more custom. I would put 3 bundles and a frontal or a closure, compared to this wig, which is factory made. But yeah, that's kind of much of the difference. But the hair itself on this wig is really nice. I'm impressed. The hair hasn't shed. I bleached it, I toned it, I washed it, and the hair is very beautiful. I'm like super impressed. Honest. The only problem I had with this wig is that I didn't like where the elastic band was at. Other than that, this wig is hella bomb. It's really nice. It's super full. And it has no shut-in. Like, no shut-in whatsoever. As you can see, the hair colored. Like, I'm in love with this unit. I'm in love. Okay, so I'm just gonna be throwing a little bit of curls because the curls had dropped. So I want it to look super, you know, full and bouncy. I am pissed off, y'all. So I got my face done. I'm wearing a long ass wig and it is 92 degrees in Atlanta. Like, what am I thinking? I don't care because I'm gonna look cute. Cute, cute, cute. All right. Nobody got time for no humps in their wigs, so we gonna lay it flat right here. So I'm gonna give this wig a 9 out of 10. And the only reason I'm giving it a 9 out of 10 is because I didn't like the placement of the elastic band. So I cut it off and I reinstalled my own elastic band. Other than that, this wig is so beautiful. The wig is so beautiful. I colored it, and as you can see, look at the color. I colored it into this nice, I don't even know what color this is, y'all. Because it got different dimensions of different like shades of blonde. I hope that it's picking it up in the camera, but it is so beautiful. I didn't get any brassiness, any orangey kind of color that some hair tend to do. I didn't get any of that. We're gonna do a little shut-in testing on camera, okay? Those is like 3 little strands. Now, I expect to see some type of shut-in because I did go ahead and bleach it. However, there was no shut-in. The hair is still beautiful. The hair is full from the top to the bottom. Like, I'm in love with this hair. So like I said, go and use Blanco 20 when you check out. Look, y'all, I'm feeling myself. I'm about to go outside, go and have a little girls date. Yeah, some type of date. But I'm about to have that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Duh.